أنا قوتها أنا فوق بس عديت الإنسان أنا عديت.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. We'll hear statements by the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Israel, Gideon Saar, and then
due to the fact that the first phase of the temporary ceasefire was over, today we froze all the trucks that entered to Gaza Strip during the last 42 days. And we will always be ready to negotiate according to our principles, but I want to emphasize the fact that we fulfilled all our commitments until the very last day, which was yesterday. And the question is, what is going on when you do have negotiations? And our position is that during negotiations, hostages should be released. Altogether, you have a huge number of trucks entered last 42 days to Gaza Strip. They have huge amounts of humanitarian aid there, probably in the hands of Hamas. It became its number one financial income for Hamas during that time, and they are not going to get it for free. If they will be ready to there was an American proposal, but maybe there could be another proposal, but the principles are clear. Negotiations should be connected to release of hostages. Israel was ready to make the framework to release our hostages longer. We agreed to the American proposal to make it longer with 50 days of the Ramadan and Passover in a return to a release of more of our hostages. Unfortunately, it was rejected by Hamas, even though we accepted the idea, and this is why we were not able to move forward for the time being.
ممنوع بدون مسببات. اديني سبب مقنع، اديني سبب مقنع ان الاكل ده يترفض. ليه مرفوض؟
وبقى عنده مساعده انسانيه.
دي مساعده، ده المفروض اسمها معونه. يعني لما كنا بنروح البوسنه والهرسك كنا بنخش، انا وصلت الصومال ودخلت اكل في الصومال، محدش اعاقني، ما بقاش هنا بيني وبينهم سور واتمنع بالطريقه دي.